Welcome! Today we have an exciting drawing tutorial just for you. We're going to draw a colorful rainbow with two cheerful clouds. Drawing is a fantastic way to express your creativity. So get your paper and colors ready and let's begin. Start with the clouds. Draw the curved lines on the bottom of your page. It's like drawing a letter C, but with the curve opening towards the bottom. Create a long and even line by connecting 3 or 5 C shapes. Now let's create our rainbow. Draw a semicircle line connecting both clouds. This will serve as the bottom of our rainbow. Then start again next to the line you've just created, and draw a bigger curved line above it in a similar shape. Make it slightly higher than the previous line. Repeat this step until you have drawn a total of 8 curved lines, each one slightly higher than the one before, and watch your rainbow come to life. If you notice the cloud it's too small, you can add another curved C-shaped line at the end of the line you drew earlier. Now, it's time to draw the lower part of the clouds by drawing the bottom a regular line. Try to make cloud look like an oval shape. Then finish another fluffy cloud on the other end in a similar shape. Before we start coloring, we will thicken the lines with an appropriate color. There are 7 colors in the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Find all coloring pencils or markers you will need, and let's bring this drawing to life. Did you know a rainbow is a complete circle? We can only see a semicircle rainbow when we stand on the ground. But if you look at it from an airplane, you can see a rainbow in a complete circle. Every water drop creates its tiny rainbow. About 1 million raindrops need to make their rainbows for you to see a rainbow in the sky. Rainbow is an optical illusion. You cannot physically touch it. You can also see a rainbow through fog, mist, dew, and spray. You can see it through any water drops whenever light shines through them at a right angle. A double rainbow appears after the sunlight refracts more than once in a water droplet. A third and fourth rainbow can also appear sometimes. Two people cannot see the same rainbow. Even both your eyes catch a slightly different rainbow. If anyone appears to stand under the rainbow that you know, they will see another rainbow at a similar angle but a further distance. Most of the rainbows that you see are called the primary rainbow. Here the red color is seen at the outer edge while violet is at the inner edge. In the entire solar system, only planet Earth has rainbows. Did you know that you can make your very own rainbow? Yes, you have heard it right. Just spray drops of water into the air with a water hose when it is sunny outside. Your mini rainbow appears all bright and pretty. I hope you like those interesting facts about rainbow. Once you've finished drawing all arcs on the rainbow, let's add some volume to the clouds. Draw little lines at the end of letters C you drew to create a shape of the cloud. Now it's time to give your clouds friendly faces with 2 eyes and a smiling mouth. And why not add some rosy cheeks for an extra touch of cuteness? Remember, sometimes our drawings might not come out perfect on the first try, and that's okay. The important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process of creating. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve your drawing skills.